Magandang hapon po sa kanilang lahat. One of my favorite authors is Paul Arden. Siya po ay rock star sa advertising agency. Ang kanyang libro ay pinamagatang It's Not About Who You Are, but Who You Want to Be. Isa sa mga leksyon na kanyang tinuturo sa libro ay from a creative perspective. Pag meron mo nakabasa, meron mo nakikita, poster, kaya design, or halimbawa, how do you call it when you go to the movie? Trailer. Look for what is wrong. Start from there. Hanapin mo kung anong mali, and then go with the process. Ngayong hapon, uumpisan ko yung para sa akin mali. Una, pinaupo nila ako sa gitna ng asikaling dress. Parang mahina ang aking laban. Sabi ko, mag-project ba ako? Kahit anong projection, hindi ko kaya. Kaya, I just decided to be myself. So, pangalawa, nung nagsasalita si Chris, sabi niya, ano doon, tayo may mga anak, tinaktawan ko ako. Oo, parang, oo nga naman. I am proud to be part of this campaign. I'm really proud. Dahil ito'y nagbibigay sa amin sa entertainment talk shows ng pagkakataon na basagin ang isang napakatanda na, napakaluma na stereotype. Na pag sinabi mong talk show, lalo na pag may kinalaman sa mga artista, chismis. I was excited about today because doon sa aming master classes, I was supposed to talk about the dichotomy or chismis from the context of a phenomenological study. Mahirap yun. Ang ibig sabihin lang nun ay lived experience. Pero natutuwa ako because I'm in a company, people like Joanna and people, that it is possible to be entertaining, to be factual. It is possible to do an entertaining talk show without having to resort to anything that is not true. Kami sa Fast Talk, 20 minutos lang ako din, pero napakahaba ng proseso namin. Kahapon, halimbawa, guest namin si Gloria Diaz. Tama ba ako? Si Gloria Diaz. Ang haba ng pag-uusap, 20-minute show. Sabi, halimbawa, she is 74 years old. Sabi ko sa nila, are we outing the girl? Are we outing the woman? Do we have her permission? Galang is very important. Marami siyang, sabi ko, pakikiramdaman natin because we have to go to where she leads us. It is not about, sabi ko sa kanila, you know, in my career as a talk show host, tinataanan ko na yung mga panahon na pag-upo pa lang you have to ask the hard questions. Kailangan i-deliver mo yung, you have to do the punches. Nagbago na ang mundo. Kanina I was talking about it. The world has changed. Hindi naman pwedeng hindi rin tayo magbago. Hindi tayo static na participants nitong mundo ito. Ang ginagamit ko yung madalas ay advent, halimbawa, of technology. Sabi ko, depends on your perspective. It can be an onslaught of. And I discussed also about, babalikan ko yung beyond tama. Nandito rin ako, aside from breaking that stereotype, because, again, you can do an entertainment talk show by being factual. You can do an entertainment talk show by being truthful. Kaya sa Fast Talk, sumasayaw ako, nagsusuot ako ng wig, kumakanta na ako, kumakarte na ako, nagpapasampal na ako. Pero hindi yung original idea.